In today's fast-paced medical devices manufacturing industry, design and product innovation are the key to success. With our proven productivity approach, we bring you to the next level. Whether it be infusion pumps, patient monitors, hospital beds, surgical lights, or robot-assisted surgical systems, from the moment your engineers begin development, our assembly technology experts help design, optimize, and educate you on fastening and assembly technologies. Cracked plastic screws, alternative compliant materials for fastening, testing the dimensional tolerances of a CNC machined precision component. We work with you to resolve these challenges. Even if your team simply needs advice, we consult with you on topics like metal or plastic mechanical hardware fastener selection, complex source B and C parts, or CNC machined precision components. We also support you in consolidating your supply chain, so you don't have to spend excessive resources to manage it. If you are looking to boost your assembly design, product innovation, as well as your supply chain efficiency, like our 800-plus global medical and life science customers, contact us at bossard.com.